If your first question is, what is Legionnaires disease? Well, don't worry, we're going to be going into explaining what Legionnaires is and how it can affect hot water storage tank systems in homes and commercial settings. But if your next question is, I know what Legionnaires is, but why does the Octopus Cosy 6 heat pump or the Octopus 9 Cosy heat pump not have a Legionnaires cycle? Well, don't worry, we're going to explain why most domestic home settings do not need a Legionnaires cycle. So Legionnaires disease is a form of lung infection that's caused by a bacteria called Legionella. Legionella grows in a variety of water systems like hot tubs, storage tanks, and even water in air conditioning systems. But it can grow in basically any body of water. It prefers to thrive in warm water, and basically you can't catch it person to person. You can only catch it in the tiny droplets of water in the air that basically contain the bacteria. So your shower head, for example, is one of the best breeding grounds for Legionella because it's warm up most of the time and it's got that ability to throw out the bacteria. So most people catch it from there. You're unlikely to catch it from any other sources, but it's mainly from the droplets of water basically being absorbed, breathed in through your sinus systems and getting into your lungs. Now, the bacteria can first appear to be like flu-like symptoms, so fever, chills, cough, muscle aches, but it can also get more serious, leading to difficulty breathing, chest pain, or confusion, and it can get more serious if it turns into pneumonia. It's completely treatable with antibiotics, and the age you are completely affects on how serious or ill you'll be affected by the disease. So the very old and the very young, or people with a weakened immune system, are most likely to have a more serious outcome from Legionella. Now, the disease affects around 500 people a year in the UK, and about 50% of those are from travelling abroad or even travelling within the UK, so basically going to hotels where they have large storage of tanks. There's also no data really on how much of this comes from hot water stores. Some of it could be coming from hot tubs or sprinkler systems or fire systems, but there's countless other places it can be caused from. So we just know it's 500 a year, and a lot of those are from travelling rather than from living at home. Now, there's a team of people at HeatGeeks that have done a fantastic video about how Legionnaires, growth, etc. And this video mainly is a summarise of some stuff they've done and others. So I really recommend you check out their website. They are heat pump installers. So although I recommend using Octopus and Octopus Cosy 6, and again, you can use my code down below to split £200 off an Octopus install if you're going to get an Octopus install. But if you weren't eligible for an Octopus install, or you have a really large home or a really specific home, HeatGeeks, they do some really interesting systems. They've got one of the highest SCOPs in leaderboards. They're really, really high-end engineers, trained engineers. But they've done a lot on Legionnaires, and I'm going to use their graph that they've produced regarding about the growth of Legionnaires. Now, most hot water store systems, the only way of killing Legionnaires is bringing it up to 60 Celsius, where most of the spores are killed within half an hour. However, growth, they still grow up at 45C, they go dormant. So anything above 45C, the Legionnaires disease is mainly dormant. Anything above 45 will slowly kill the bacteria, and the spores are worse in temperatures between 32 and 42 Celsius. This is where it's at its optimal growth. This is where they grow the absolute best, but it's also the optimal temperature for getting the best COP out of your heat pump. So the point where you can store the water, it will lose the least heat, it will cost the least to run your heat pump and store at that temperature, and you'll get the best cost back. So this is where we need to work out the risk versus the benefits versus everything else to do with the heat pump and Legionnaires cycles. Now, the most common place for Legionnaires is from hotels, hospitals, and this is because they have large water stores, huge, massive ports of water. Now, these have plenty of area for the Legionnaires to grow, different hot spots all over them. Some of the tank might be 60, some of it might only be 40, and having a large water store means that there's plenty of time for this to be grown, and there's very little water flushing through these huge thousands and thousands of litre tank systems to flush out the Legionnaires. Basically, most of the water is sat there dormant for a long period of time, allowing the Legionnaires to grow. Now, your home tank is used completely differently. We tend to use this daily. Now, depending on your tank and how big it is, most people's tanks will be flushed 100% a day. Now, this doesn't allow the disease to take hold and grow. Unless your tank is massively oversized, the risk factor from your home is going to be very, very low. And there is a small caveat about this. Now, because Legionnaires is worse for the old and young, you're going to need to weigh up your individual risks about this. But bear in mind that high temperature also has the risk of scalding, especially in the old, which can be actually more serious than getting Legionnaires. Now, the risk for the young is also quite a high risk of scalding there, so bear in mind what's more important and what's the risk of Legionnaires, and you could run a 60 Celsius tank. Now, the big question I want to ask is, if you're not in the risk groups, what is the best temperature you should store at to get the best COP with the lowest level of risk? Now, as long as your tank turnover is above 80%, you should be fine with about 42 Celsius. However, remember that caveat I had. Now, if you've been away on holiday, maybe you've just returned from a week or 2 weeks away, then my advice would actually be to run a hot 60 Celsius cycle, program it for about 2 hours, which gives it plenty of time for the tank to hit 60 Celsius, no matter how cold or warm it is, and leave it there for at least 30 minutes at 60 Celsius, and this will kill all Legionnaires. Now, I'd personally only do this when returning back from a long stay away, where the tank hasn't had that cycle rate of 100%, 80% a day. So even if you've not had a shower for 2-3 days, maybe a weekend away, it might be worth running a 60 Celsius cycle. Now, if you're thinking of getting a Cosy 6, go to effiency.com/energy for a link to split off £200 off an install, off a Cosy 6 heat pump, or even a Dakin heat pump from Octopus Energy. And if you want to learn more about my Cosy 6, check out this playlist here. And if you want to see the install of the Cosy 6, check out this video here.